Rome, Italy, 4K Walk Summer Vibes 2025. Drone shot over Rome's skyline at sunrise. Domes, ancient ruins, narrow alleys awakening in soft golden light. Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City. A city where every stone whispers history, every fountain sparkles with legend, and every street feels alive under the Italian sun. Join us on this immersive 4K walk as we explore iconic landmarks, the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain, and Piazza Navona, and soak in Rome's summer vibes of 2025. Cut 2. Bustling morning streets, locals setting up cafes, first rays of sun brushing ancient walls. Walking toward the Colosseo, tourists taking photos, ancient arches towering above. Our walk begins at the most legendary symbol of Rome, the Colosseum, built nearly 2,000 years ago, yet still standing proud in the heart of the city. In ancient times, this amphitheater could hold over 50,000 spectators, cheering for gladiators, and stand here, feel the weight of centuries. Imagine the roar of the crowds echoing where now there's only the soft hum of tourists and street musicians. Pan across arches lit by summer sun, tourists in straw hats, gladiator-costumed performers posing for photos. Walking up Via dei Fori Imperiali, Roman Forum ruins on the right, Trajan's Market on the left. We leave the Colosseum behind, stepping onto Via dei Fori Imperiali. Here, fragments of temples, basilicas, and triumphal arches unfold. Remnants of Rome's ancient center, once the beating heart of an empire. Close up, wildflowers growing among ruins, marble columns gleaming in sunlight. It's a living museum without walls. History scattered under open skies, blending past and present. Street musicians play Italian classics. Visitors rest in the shade. Emerging onto Piazza Venezia, dominated by the colossal white marble monument. Piazza Venezia and Altare della Patria. Ahead rises the Altare della Patria, the altar of the fatherland, built in honor of Victor Emmanuel II, Italy's first king. Locals call it the wedding cake for its layered design, grand staircases, and towering columns. Ascend stairs, panoramic view over the city's rooftops. Pantheon and surroundings. Walking narrow lanes into Piazza della Rotonda, Pantheon comes into view. Our path winds into the historic center, where ancient temples meet bustling cafes. Suddenly you turn a corner, and there it is, the Pantheon. Nearly 2,000 years old, still crowned by the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Romans still come here to pray, tourists to marvel. Proof that great architecture never dies. Locals and tourists sit on fountain steps, eating gelato. Sound of water grows louder. White marble statues and turquoise water appear. A short walk brings us to the Trevi Fountain, Rome's most famous fountain, built in the 18th century. Tradition says, toss a coin over your shoulder and you'll return to Rome. Each year, thousands do, drawn back by the city's eternal charm. Hidden lanes and local life. Narrow alleys lined with ivy, small trattorias, and artisan shops. Close up, steaming bowls of cacio e pepe, hands twirling pasta. Here, the city feels intimate. An ancient village wrapped inside a capital. Piazza opens wide, Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers at the center. Our walk leads us to Piazza Navona, Rome's grandest Baroque square, built atop the ancient Stadium of Domitian. Bernini's masterpiece fountain tells stories of four great rivers: Nile, Ganges, Danube, and Rio de la Plata, symbols of a world Rome once touched. Golden hour, gelato shops serve crowds, street musicians play. Summer brings Rome alive in unique ways. Late sunsets, cool stone walls, and nights lit by laughter and music. Locals enjoying aperitivo, lights shimmering on cobblestones. Despite centuries of change, the city's soul remains unchanged, open, passionate, and endlessly beautiful. Drone view, city bathing in warm evening light, domes glowing softly. As the sun sets, the eternal city exhales. Ancient ruins cast long shadows. Piazzas fill with quiet conversations, and fountains murmur secrets of centuries past. Rome isn't just a city you visit, it's a place you feel. Thank you for joining this walk through history, art, and life itself. Subscribe for more cinematic journeys around the world. Text on screen. Arrivederci from Rome. See you next time.